In a compelling showcase of investor trust and market robustness, Blackrock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund IBEAT has proven to be a standout performer amidst a widespread uptick in sector interest. On February 14th, the ETF achieved a remarkable single-day net inflow of $224 million, establishing its prominence at the forefront of the Bitcoin spot ETF market. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. $57,700 imminent for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is crushing the 61.8% retracement level. Target 3 at 57,700 is next. Bitcoin is now at an all-time high against the Japanese yen. Money printing strikes again, and it continues to break all-time highs on different currencies of different countries, as we already see how inflation kills the currencies of different countries. I'm noticing a trend Bitcoin is going through: weekly chart, monthly chart, yearly chart, and all-time chart. We continuously grow, as I already said. The big breaking news: the spot Bitcoin ETF net inflow was $340 million yesterday, just in one day. Also, Blackrock bought $5.6 billion worth of Bitcoin in last 3 weeks. According to the 2 months Bitcoin chart and the stochastic RSI, it seems that we repeat history again. We were at exact same point in the last cycle, and if history repeats further, we should see the following price action: push until all-time high, close 62,000, 25 to 30% retrace 45 to 43,000, breakout, start of parabolic run May 2024 to new all-time high, and a cycle top between September 24th and May 25th. That's what we have. Most people don't even realize that for over 1 billion people, the Bitcoin all-time high is already now, and it's actually in Japanese yen, South African rand, Argentinian peso, Turkish lira, Nigerian naira, Pakistani rupee, Egyptian pound, Kenya shilling, and Bangladesh taka, and also the Congolese franc, Lebanese pound, Sri Lankan rupee, and Ukrainian hryvnia. That's next we go. Yesterday, Bitcoin hit almost exactly a 100% gain in 180 days. That has happened 41 times since the 2015. Bitcoin went higher 78% of the time, and the average return for the next 180 days was also 100%. As of today, and based on historical data, there is a 50% chance that Bitcoin will hit a 100,000 by in August. Next up, if you accumulated Bitcoin in any significant way between 2020 and 2024, you've done the hard part. All you have to do now to achieve generational wealth is nothing. Hold your keys, sit tight, don't sell or to the Wall Street, don't trade it for shit coins, don't try to time anything, literally just do nothing. Some of you will still fuck it up, you will fuck up doing nothing. As Blackrock's Bitcoin ETF outshines with $224 million inflow amid sector when wide growth appears. In a striking demonstration of investor confidence and market resilience, Blackrock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund IBEAT has emerged as a standout performer amidst the sector-wide surge in interest. And according to data provided by SocialValue, the ETF notched an impressive single-day net inflow of $224 million on February 14th, positioning it at the forefront of the Bitcoin spot ETF market. This notable influx is part of the broader trend that has seen the total net inflow for Bitcoin spot ETFs reach $340 million on the same day, and extending an unbroken streak of net inflows to 14 consecutive trading days. And as of February 14th, the cumulative total net inflow for these ETFs stands at an impressive $4.2 billion, with the total net asset valued at $36.7 billion. In contrast to the success of IBEAT, some ETFs have faced challenges, as the Grayscale ETF and Invesco's ETF reported net inflows of $131 million and $37.5 million, respectively, highlighting the competitive and volatile nature of the cryptocurrency investment landscape. Broader trend: the remarkable performance of Blackrock's IBEAT is not an isolated phenomenon, as Fidelity's FBTC also reported significant gains with a single-day net inflow of $118.9 million and a total historical net inflow of $3.5 billion, as these figures underscore the increasing investor appetite for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency-related financial products, as the surge in ETF inflows coincides with a bullish trend in the Bitcoin market itself, as the price of Bitcoin has shown a remarkable resilience and growth, currently priced at the $52.2 thousand dollars, and this represents a 2% increase over the last 24 hours and an impressive 22.8% uplift over the past 30 days. So these developments signal a growing recognition of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as viable investment assets, attracting both retail and institutional investors, as the success of Blackrock's IBEAT in particular highlights the significant role that established financial institutions play in the cryptocurrency space, providing a bridge for traditional investors looking to diversify into digital assets. Also, US spot Bitcoin ETFs inflow topped $4 billion. Recently, as per the CoinShare stats, the US spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds have received a massive $4 billion in net inflows. Remarkably, $651 million of this total poured in on Tuesday alone, indicating a robust and growing interest in cryptocurrency investment vehicles among the institutional and retail investors. Outpacing Bitcoin supply, the amount of money flowing into these ETFs has, in less than a month, surpassed the total new Bitcoin supply issued in the same period. This trend highlights the accelerating investor appetite for Bitcoin, even as the market continues to grapple with the challenges of supply and demand, as data as of February 14, 2024 reveals that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust leads to the pack with an impressive $22.8 billion in assets under management, despite a net inflow this week, as on the other hand, the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF witnessed a significant net inflow since January 10, 2024, adding to the bullish sentiment, at a total net inflow since January 10 amount of $11.9 million, with this week's contribution reaching $1.2 million, underscoring the investor confidence in a market. Analysts are now forecasting that if the current rate of inflow continues, it could actually outstrip the post-halving Bitcoin issuance, up by 4.6 times. This could have the significant implication for the price of Bitcoin, as the halving typically reduces the rate at which new coins are generated and thereby decreasing supply and potentially increasing the price if demand remains high. As the influx of funds into Bitcoin ETF is a strong signal of the market's maturity and investor sentiment, reflecting the widespread acceptance of Bitcoin as an asset class, as ETFs provide a regulated and accessible means for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin, as this could further integrate a cryptocurrency into the broader financial landscape. Looking at this, we basically could see that the price of Bitcoin continuously going to grow, but as of now we're still stuck at the $52,000 for the next move, and the trading volume continuously goes down, which means that we might possibly see another short squeeze and people will be liquidating their short positions right away. That's all the information we got on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.